Okay guys, I'm gonna show you quickly how to make like a slip. So this is out of slip, so I'm just gonna refill it really quick. So I'm gonna put almost all of it full of water. I'm gonna go over here, and I'm gonna go over to the dry mix, and I'm going to grab like 1 scoop of dry mix. I'm gonna put it in there slowly. I'm gonna close the dry mix back up so everything stays good in there and it doesn't get wet. I'm going to put the lid on, come over to the sink. I'm gonna shake it really good for like 20 seconds. And then I'm gonna clean it off because this is like the one time where we can like use this time to clean it really quick with just a sponge. And now I have good slip, so I can either go to my table and use this, or if I like at the end of the day it's empty because we use it all, you should refill it before putting it back into the container. Okay? Now this mess, I'll just grab a sponge real quick, and I'm going to clean up my mess. That's all there is to it. Bang slip.